Good morning, everyone. Let's continue learning Kachin-Jinghpaw language in English. This is a series 1E. We are going to learn the language with the scriptures, which illustrate the attributes of God. I am Miss Bokraglatsglau, freelance language teacher. Thank you very much for joining my YouTube channel. It is Easy Learning Kachin Language. Ndai series 1E go Chyum laika the rao Karai Kasang a nsam kumla shingkang ni ngwi gabore ngai the rao Jinghpaw ga the English ga phe matut na kaja laga. We are going to learn the word wisdom with this scripture. Wisdom in Kachin-Jinghpaw hpaji byeng-ya. I'm going to read the scripture. I use the English Bible, New King James Version. James chapter 3, verse 17. But the wisdom that is from above is first pure, then peaceable, gentle, willing to yield, full of mercy and good fruits, without partiality and without hypocrisy. I use the Kachin Bible, Joebra I Chyum laika, Yaku or Yaku a shăgun laika, Dogba masum, Dogdi shisnit. Ntsa de na hpaji byeng-ya go, shawng sanseng rai hpang htingrat sumnung shingkang kaja glegalau nre pi pun hpaji byeng-ya We are going to learn every part of the scripture from this slide. James chapter 3 verse 17. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Yaku dogba masum dogji shisnit. Or Yaku a shăgun laika dogba masum dogji shisnit. 3 masum 17 shisnit. Just keep in your mind that the bold highlighted word is the original writing style of the Kachin-Jinghpaw language. But the wisdom that is from above is the first pure. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Ntsa de na hpaji byeng-ya go shawng sanseng rai. Let me repeat the scripture again. But the wisdom that is from above is the first pure. Ntsa de na hpaji byeng-ya go shawng sanseng rai. The wisdom hpaji byeng-ya. The wisdom that is from above. Ntsa de na hpaji byeng-ya go. First, shawng is pure. Sanseng rai. Then peaceable, gentle, willing to yield, full of mercy and good fruits. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, hpang htingrat sumnung shingdi kaja pringa. Let me repeat again. Then peaceable, gentle, willing to yield, full of mercy and good fruits. hpang htingrat sumnung shingdi kaja pringa. Then meaning is hpang peaceable, htingrat gentle, sumnung willing to yield, shingdi mercy, good fruits, kaja ni, and full, pringa tup without partiality and without hypocrisy. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, glegalau nre ai the pi phun nje ai hpaji byeng-ya rai nga ai. Let me repeat the scripture again. Without partiality and without hypocrisy. Glegalau nre ai the pi phun nje ai hpaji byeng-ya rai nga ai. Without partiality, glegalau nre ai, and meaning is the. Without hypocrisy, pi phun nje ai. Partiality, ra shawng ai lam, ni man la ta ai lam. Hypocrisy, pi phun ai masa, sot ai masa. Let's read the scripture together and let's memorize it. James chapter 3 verse 17. But the wisdom that is from above is first pure, then peaceable, gentle, willing to yield, full of mercy and good fruits, without partiality and without hypocrisy. Yaku o Yaku a shăgun da laika, dogba masum, dogji shisne. Ntsa de na hpaji byeng-ya go. Shawng mpawt sanseng ai rai nga ai, hpang htingrat ai, sumnung ai, shingdi ai, masandum ai the, kaja ai asi the, pringa ai, glegalau nre ai the, pi phun nje ai, hpaji byeng-ya rai nga ai. I hope you enjoyed the series of learning language with the scriptures. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Please do join next series. Right, Jeju ba say yo, Yawng Ntsa, Karai Kasang Yawng ga.